Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today we're diving into the raw performance, engineering precision, and road-shattering presence of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT2, a car that doesn't just push the limits of what's possible on the road, it redefines them. The 911 GT2 has long stood as Porsche's most hardcore, track-focused road car, and in 2025, the legend evolves even further. This isn't just another iteration of the iconic 911. It's a monstrous fusion of cutting-edge technology, relentless aerodynamics, and unfiltered driving emotion. Porsche has always treated the GT2 name with reverence, and the 2025 model is no exception. It's lighter, faster, sharper, and, dare we say, scarier than ever before. Let's start with the heart of this beast. At the core is a 3.8-liter twin turbocharged flat-six engine, pushing out a staggering 700 horsepower and around 750 Nm of torque. These numbers alone tell you this car isn't playing games. It's paired with Porsche's lightning-quick PDK dual-clutch transmission, offering gear changes so fast and precise they feel telepathic. And unlike some previous GT2s, Porsche has chosen to keep it rear-wheel drive, maintaining the purist's layout that makes driving a GT2 such an intense experience. With all that power going to the rear wheels, you'd expect the 2025 GT2 to be a handful, and you'd be right. This isn't a car that coddles you, it demands respect. But in return, it gives back an experience that's almost spiritual. 0 to 60 mph happens in under 3 seconds, and it blasts past 124 mph in less than 9. The top speed, north of 220 mph, depending on configuration. That makes it one of the fastest road-legal 911s ever made. Now let's talk weight. Porsche engineers went all in on stripping unnecessary grams from the GT2. Carbon fiber is used generously across the body, from the hood to the roof and even interior elements. Lightweight glass, a titanium exhaust system, and magnesium wheels all contribute to a total weight under 3,300 pounds. The result is a car that feels alive, responsive, nimble, and brutally quick in every direction. The aerodynamics are equally intense. A massive fixed rear wing, aggressive front splitters, and an underbody diffuser all work together to generate serious downforce. This is not a car that's just meant to look fast parked outside a cafe. It's a machine that's been honed in the wind tunnel and proven on the Nürburgring. Speaking of which, there are whispers that the 2025 GT2 has shattered previous lap records at several iconic tracks thanks to a combination of raw speed and relentless grip. Inside, Porsche has gone minimalist, but it's far from bare. The cabin is all business. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and functional switchgear dominate the environment. Bucket seats with racing harnesses remind you this isn't a GT car for long road trips, it's a track weapon. Yet, true to Porsche form, it still manages to maintain a degree of livability. Apple CarPlay, a digital gauge cluster, and climate control make their way in, proving that even the most hardcore models don't have to sacrifice all comfort. One of the most exciting changes for 2025 is the updated suspension system. Porsche has introduced a next-generation adaptive damper setup, allowing for razor-sharp cornering without totally compromising road usability. The car reads the road surface hundreds of times per second, constantly adjusting itself to maintain composure. Add to that rear-wheel steering and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, and you get a car that feels smaller, sharper, and more agile than any 911 before it. Braking performance, as you'd expect, is outrageous. Carbon ceramic discs come standard, offering fade-free stopping power and shaving off crucial kilograms from the unsprung weight. The pedal feel is firm and confidence-inspiring, allowing for consistent late braking on both road and track. You get the sense Porsche has poured every lesson from its racing programs into this braking setup. Driving the 2025 GT2 is not just about numbers, it's about sensation. The way the car communicates with the driver, the immediacy of every input, the soundtrack of the flat six howling at redline, it's intoxicating. This is a car that elevates every drive into an event. You don't just operate the GT2, you become part of it. And while most GT2s will live in garages and showrooms, Porsche has made it clear this car is meant to be driven. It's not the kind of machine you collect. It's one you experience. Whether it's carving canyon roads or setting hot laps at your local circuit, the 2025 GT2 begs to be pushed, to be challenged, to show what it can do. Pricing is, unsurprisingly, well into six-figure territory, and with options, many will cross the $300,000 mark. But this isn't about price. It's about the culmination of decades of engineering, racing heritage, and unrelenting focus on driving perfection. It's about owning something that represents the pinnacle of Porsche performance, a car that connects you to the road in a way very few machines can. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT2 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a blistering, beautiful, no-holds-barred declaration that pure driving excitement is alive and well for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel. It's not just about speed, it's about the ultimate expression of what a Porsche can be. Thanks for joining us at Scout Automobile. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and everything that fuels your automotive passion.